Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix Grok High Demand Error problem. Okay, let's start the video. First of all, click on Grok apps. See, this is a problem, then let's solve this problem. After that, now go back your home screen and check your internet connection. Now tap on aeroplane mode. Now turn on and turn off. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your phone setting and follow my step by step. Scroll down, now tap on apps. Find the Grok apps here or tap on the search icon. Now search for Grok apps. Now tap on Grok apps. Scroll down, now tap on storage. Now clear cache and clear data. Now tap on force stop and OK. Scroll up, now tap on permission and all apps permission. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your Play Store, update your Grok apps. Now search icon and search for Grok apps. Now tap on Grok apps. It is already updated. Now go back your home screen. Now restart your device. Now go to your Grok apps. I hope your problem is solved. Thank you.